Welcome to Swahili School. We are learning vegetables, what we call mboga or vegetables. Subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear from you. Let's start with mboga or vegetables. Mboga is the word for vegetables. Mboga. Cabbage, whether it's the red cabbage or the green cabbage, kabichi. Kabichi is cabbage. Karoti. Karoti, carrot. So you drop the C, put the K, karoti. Sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki. It can either be kale, the one that has a ribbon like at the end, or collard greens. Either or. Sukuma wiki. It's actually, if you notice, if you've done days of the week, wiki is like a week. Wiki. So it used to push the week ahead for the weekend to come. That is just a fun fact that is not true, but sukuma wiki, collard greens. Let's review what we've learned so far. Kabichi, cabbage, kabichi. Karoti, carrot, karoti. Sukuma wiki, kale or collard greens, sukuma wiki. Broccoli, my favorite vegetable, broccoli, broccoli. Saladi, lettuce, any kind of lettuce, saladi. And mchicha, spinach. And there's a difference between mchicha, spinach, and the Swiss chard. If you are a Swahili speaker, you know what I'm talking about. Mchicha is spinach. So broccoli, broccoli. Saladi, salad or lettuce. Mchicha, spinach. The baby spinach is mchicha. Cauliflower. I do not know what the use of this vegetable is. Cauliflower, cauliflower. If you know the use of it, please let me know in the description box. Viazi, potatoes, one of the vegetables that can be made to a million things. Viazi, potatoes. One potato is kiazi. One potato is kiazi, but we never use one potato ever, unless it's a baked potato. Kiazi. One potato. It falls under ki, the singular plural. This is Swahili 203. So join us for the second year and you're going to learn kivi. Viazi, potatoes. Viazi vitamu, sweet potatoes. Viazi vitamu, sweet potatoes. Let's review that. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. Viazi, potatoes, viazi. Viazi vitamu, sweet potatoes, viazi vitamu. Mahindi, corn. Doesn't matter whether it's the corn or what we call maize, whether it's a sweet corn, regular corn, popcorn. Mahindi, mahindi, and this is plural. So one will be hindi, plural, mahindi. Mahindi, corn or maize. Another word is maize. It means the same thing. Beans, maharagwe. All different kinds of beans, from pinto beans, black beans, red beans, roast cocoa, all the way. Maharagwe, maharagwe, beans. Maharagwe ya kijani. Another vegetable, I do not know what the use is. Kijani is green, so green beans or string beans or French beans. Maharagwe ya kijani. If you remember colors, which color was kijani? Kijani means green, green. If you know the use of these vegetables, please tell us in the description box. Njengere, peas, peas, njengere. Let's review that. Mahindi, corn, mahindi. Maharagwe, beans, maharagwe. Maharagwe ya kijani, French beans, green beans, or string beans. Is there a difference or just the names? Maharagwe ya kijani. Jengere, peas, whether it's split peas, green peas, dried peas, and jengere. Kitunguu, another great vegetable. Kitunguu is onion. Kitunguu, onion. Green onion, red onion, yellow onion, shallots, any kind of onion or onion-like, as you shall see, is kitunguu. One. If you hear me say kitunguu one, it means it's one onion. Plural will be vitunguu. We'll talk about that later. Kitunguu saumu. Kitunguu saumu. One bulb of garlic. Not just one tiny, pill, but the whole bulb itself is kitunguu saumu, garlic. Vitunguu leki, leeks. Vitunguu leki. Love these vegetables. Really, really tasty. Any way you prepare vitunguu leki is great. So kitunguu, onion. Kitunguu saumu, garlic. Vitunguu leki. And what's the difference? It could be kitunguu leki if it's just one leek, but since it's a plural, we say vitunguu leki. Vitunguu leki. Pilipili, pepper. So all the different kinds of pepper, jalapeno pepper, chili peppers, banana peppers, all of them are pilipili. Pilipili. So when we get to the bell peppers or capsicum, pilipili hoho. Pilipili hoho. So the difference between pilipili and pilipili hoho. Tangawizi, ginger. Tangawizi, ginger. If you get a soda that is written soda tangawizi, it's ginger soda. Ginger soda. So pilipili is pepper, all the different kinds of peppers, but it's the little devil pepper, as they call it, because it's so hot. Pilipili hoho, bell peppers. Tangawizi, ginger. Mdalasini is cinnamon. Mdalasini. Tango, cucumber. And what's the difference between cucumber and zucchini? Tango, cucumber. Birigani, eggplant. Whether it's the Indian, the Japanese, or the kinds of eggplants, birigani, or if it's my grandmother, biriganya. Mdalasini, cinnamon. Mdalasini. Tango, cucumber. Birigani, eggplant. Birigani. Zucchini, as it sounds and it's written. Zucchini. Mchochezi, asparagus. You either like or hate asparagus. Which one are you? I happen to love asparagus. So if you like asparagus or you don't like asparagus, tell us below. Mchochezi, asparagus. I love asparagus for breakfast. Figili, celery. Another vegetable, I do not know what the use is. Figili, celery, or celery, depending on how you say it. Celery, figili. Coroli, cilantro. Colori, cilantro. Another herb that you either love or hate. Some people absolutely love colori. Others do not like coroli. So which one are you? Mchochezi, asparagus. Mchochezi. Figili, celery. Coroli, cilantro. Uyoga. My favorite breakfast has to have uyoga. Mushrooms. Absolutely love all the different kinds of mushrooms. All of them fall under uyoga. Mazao ya braseli, Brussels sprouts. Mazao ya braseli, Brussels sprouts. When prepared well, they are a great vegetables. Most people boil them. No comment. Tell us below, how do you prepare your mazao ya braseli? I love them. I happen to love Brussels sprouts. Ngano is wheat. The grain itself is ngano. So if you find unga wa ngano, it means wheat flour. Unga ya ngano. Unga means flour. Unga ya ngano, wheat flour. Uyoga, mushrooms. uyoga, mushrooms. Mazao ya brasili, Brussels sprouts. Mazao ya brasili. Ngano, wheat. Ngano, wheat. Malenge, pumpkin. Malenge, pumpkin. It could be acorn pumpkin. It could be the regular pumpkin. It could be the pumpkin for Halloween. It could be the pumpkin for string, the one that has spaghetti in it. All of it is malenge. Malenge. Mshamari, fennel. Mshamari, fennel. I absolutely enjoy fennel. Mshamari. Cassava is muhogo or mihogo. When it's more than one cassava is mihogo. One is mhogo. Mhogo. Mhogo or cassava chips or cassava fries are awesome. They're great. Njugu, peanuts. Njugu, peanuts. Review. Malenge, pumpkin. Malenge, pumpkin. Mshamari, fennel. Mshamari, fennel. Cassava, mhogo. Mhogo, cassava. Njugu, peanuts. Njugu, peanuts. Kunde. So kunde can be both the leaf or the bean. So when it's the leaf, kunde leaves, they are made and actually eaten. And also the beans themselves, the black-eyed peas or cowpeas, kunde. Kunde. Mbamia, okra. Mbamia. I never liked okra until I figured out how to prepare it. Do you like okra? I absolutely enjoy okra now. How do you prepare your mbamia okra? So njugu, peanuts. Kunde, cowpeas or black-eyed peas, both the leaves and the peas, and both are eaten. Bamia, okra. Bamia, okra. Maswali, questions. Let's review. Hii ni nini? Hii ni nini? Hii ni mahindi. Hii ni mahindi. So the first one is, what is this? Hii ni nini? What is this? This is corn, or this is maize. Hii ni mahindi. Hii ni nini? Hii ni nini? Hii ni maharagwe. Hii ni maharagwe. These are beans. These are beans. Hizi ni nini? Hizi ni nini? Hizi ni malenge. Hizi ni malenge. What's the difference between he and hizi? Plural. He is singular. What is this? A singular thing. Malenge, when we say hizi, we mean plural. What are these? These are pumpkins. Hizi ni malenge. Hizi ni nini? Hizi ni nini? What are these? Hizi ni viazi. Hizi ni viazi. These are potatoes. Go to the description box. You will find worksheets, games, and other resources to review the lessons on vegetables or mboga, or all the other lessons that we offer in Swahili school. Join us for the live classes. If you've been there for the live classes, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Come learn Swahili, speak, written, write, listen, communicate, and also other lessons, not just Swahili. We have science, math, English, African history, African in diaspora history, and a whole year of anatomy and physiology. So see you next. Thank you for learning Swahili 103 with us. Those are the lessons, the 5 lessons of Swahili 103. Next is Swahili 104 that has 4 to 5 lessons of Swahili 104. Join our group. We do have a membership group that has the rest of the lessons from 104 all the way to 108. So make sure you join us, and you will get tons of other free lessons and other classes once you join the membership group. And there's also Swahili, the second year of Swahili, that it is 201 all the way to 208, where you learn how to read and write in full sentences, communicate. So you'll have a teacher you can talk to every single day. You can improve your Swahili reading comprehension, listening, and also spoken. Kwaheri ya kuonana, which means goodbye for now.